guys, welcome back to my channel. So a week ago I went shopping in San Diego. My main purpose for going to San Diego was to shop the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which of course I did, by all the bags behind me. And if you haven't seen my beauty haul or my clothing haul, I will link them down below and above so that way you guys can go check them out. The sale doesn't open to the public until Wednesday the 19th. So it's still going on. It goes on until the 30th. So you have quite a few weeks to still pick up some wonderful items. And while I was there, I did pick up some things that weren't part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, whether it be at Nordstrom or at a different store. So I thought I would go ahead and do a haul on what I purchased in San Diego. I found some really fun things. So before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It does help out my channel tremendously. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And you want to make sure you hit that bell notification so that way you are notified every single time I upload. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this first item is kind of a fail on my part. So I put this in my non-Nordstrom anniversary haul pile, and it was part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So the first item I did purchase at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It is the faux leather Spanx leggings, and these were on sale for $64.90, I believe. They're normally right around $98. And if you've never had a pair of Spanx leggings, they are so comfortable, and the faux leather is always in style. One thing I like about these faux leather leggings is sometimes when you buy cheaper faux leather leggings, the material is almost sticky. So after you wash it and stuff, you'll notice that when you go to open your leggings, the material kind of sticks to itself, or sometimes after a while, the material will start cracking. This pair of leggings is nothing like that. They are so soft. The material does not stick to itself. It does not crack. It is so different than all the other faux legging materials that I've seen. So if you love faux leather leggings, you will absolutely love these. And they're Spanx, so of course they'll hold you in, lift you up, and just overall will give you a really nice shape. And I may actually pick up another pair of these because I do love them so much. So for size reference, I am typically a size medium, whether it be top or bottom, which equates to about a size 6 typically. And these I got in a medium, of course, and they fit me perfectly. So if you're about my size, I am 5'4", so they do fit me perfectly. So now moving on to the items that were not part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. The first item I did purchase at Nordstrom, and I actually had just gotten done purchasing all of my Barefoot Dreams and loungewear stuff, and I was actually leaving the section and I saw these and I touched them, and the softness and butteriness totally just sucked me in. I found a medium, I grabbed a pair, I went to go check out. Lo and behold, they were $46. I don't know that I would have normally purchased these knowing that they were $46. I did buy a couple other pairs very similar to this at Nordstrom Rack about a year or two ago, and I think they were around like $11 or 20 bucks. So super inexpensive. So for these to be almost 50, I was like, but I didn't know that until after I purchased, I didn't even notice the price until I got home, to be honest. I don't know why I didn't look. I think I was just sucked in by how they felt. But they are by the brand PJ Salvage, and I did buy them in a medium, and honestly, they are so comfortable. Like, I've purchased one similar material before and they were nice, but they wore out really quickly. To be honest, since I purchased these, I've been wearing them every single day. Like, I'm totally getting my money's worth. They are so comfortable, so soft, and the thickness of the material is perfect because when you put them on, you almost feel like you're not wearing anything. They almost feel that thin, but they're still cozy and warm, but not like where they make you hot. But they're honestly really good. So I'm really happy that I decided to not look at the price and purchase these because I am falling in love with them very, very quickly. So this is definitely a good buy. Next clothing item. So after Nordstrom's, we just kind of walked around the mall a little bit, and I had to do an exchange at Lululemon, and I decided to pick up another pair of leggings because their leggings are honestly my favorite. I know they are so expensive, but I've never found a pair of leggings that are as comfortable, that suck you in as good, that don't roll when you sit down. They're just overall amazing. Now, touching on that subject, I know I just mentioned that these Spanx leggings are amazing and they give you a good shape, and they absolutely do. But for me personally, I buy the Spanx leggings that are more like outfit leggings. So, like the moto ones, the faux leather ones, stuff that you wear with boots or heels when you go out, not so much workout leggings. So for clothing, everyday outfit leggings, I love the Spanx ones. But for just casual, comfy workout or loungewear leggings, I love Lululemon. So at Lululemon, I am a size 6, and these were the leggings I picked up. They are a light gray and medium gray camo, which I absolutely love. My absolute favorite leggings at Lululemon are the Wonder Under tights. They are 25 inches. They are just so comfortable, and usually when I buy them, they're always $98. So on the Lululemon scale, they are on the cheaper side. I know some of their stuff gets really pricey, but they're just so comfortable. They're so breathable. I just absolutely live in these things every single weekend. I own them in plain black. I own the black camel ones, which I love. And then I own 2 of the limited edition, I think it's their Manifesto leggings. I own them in the black and the red, and they're really, really comfortable. And so because I wear them all the time, I do find that some days I wake up and all my leggings are dirty, and it's a bad day because then I don't know what to wear. So I'm really excited to add these to my collection of Lululemon. And typically when it comes to leggings, I just always go for black. Black, I don't ever look at colors because I feel like sometimes in leggings, colors can make you look very cellulite-y, and I don't like that look. But these do not. They are gorgeous on, and they just give you such a slim, smooth look on your legs and your booty area, and I love it. So I purchased these, or I exchanged them, so I swapped. And then this is probably my favorite item that I brought home from my San Diego trip. And it is a Dior item. And these I've had my eye on for quite a while. And it's an interesting story because when I first saw them, I wanted the white color. And then when I saw white in person, I liked it. I thought it was pretty, but I didn't love it as much as I thought I would, especially in the certain material that it was. So I opted to go with black, of course, because I love black and black goes with everything. So the item is, let me unbox it for you. You do get the dust bag and the care card as well. And they are the J'adore Dior slingback pumps. And I purchased them in a size 38.5. So this is what the pump looks like. They are so comfortable. You would not even believe it. The heel is 100 millimeters, so it's about a 4-inch heel. But it's interesting because when you wear this shoe, it doesn't feel like a 4-inch heel, to be honest. It feels like a 2 or 3-inch heel. So the way it's curved right here just makes it such a comfortable shoe. And I've really been wanting a black pair of shoes for work because I do wear heels every single day. My black pair that I wore to work all the time, they eventually fell apart. I actually had them repaired probably about 7 times, and I had to part with them. I had to throw them out because they were just so worn out. So these are my new babies, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the little bow detail right here. This is really nice because on this side, it does have elastic, so it will stretch. However, the sales guy that I was talking to mentioned that it doesn't stretch out to the point where they just don't stay on your heel anymore. And for those of you that are curious, it is a leather shoe made in Italy. So the sole, the insert, and then the top is all leather. And these are the black shiny leather ones, and I'm just obsessed. I love them. And when they had them, they had the black, the white, and they also had a really stunning red color. And I was half tempted to go with red because I don't own red shoes, but I decided I needed a black pair of shoes to just go with the black. So these were perfect. And typically with designer shoes, I am a size 38.5. I did try on a size 39 just to see, but the spacing right here was way big, and it was very sloppy from, you know, the middle of the foot to the heel. So 38.5 fit me perfectly. So these shoes I did purchase at Neiman Marcus, and they were $890. And then after Neiman's, we went to Morphe, and I wanted to pick up another P. Louise eyeshadow base because I love it, and there's not a Morphe store near me. So I picked up this one. This is Rumor 1, which is the one I use all the time. So when I was there, I saw that they had the pure black one in stock, so I decided to pick this one up as well. Many years ago, I used to love putting a black base down as my eyeshadow primer and then doing a shadow on top. I love to watch the colors transform. And back in the day, this was like probably 10, 12 years ago, the go-to black base at the time was the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the black. And so I would use that, and then I would put like a MAC satin glittery shadow or iridescent shadow on top, and it would just look so bomb. And I really had the itch to create another look like that because I haven't done that in years. So I had to pick that up, and I'm really excited to play with it. The next item I picked up at Morphe was the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Star Island. And this is the color. It's really hard to see in the camera. It is so pretty, and to be honest, I was shocked at how many other brands Morphe carried. Like, I had no idea. And here's the highlighter of Star Island. So gorgeous. Now, I have to say, I did hear that Morphe was dropping Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so his stuff was like 30% off, but I didn't know that they carried Ofra Cosmetics. I didn't know that they carried Suva. Is it Suva? It's like SUVA Cosmetics. I didn't know they carried something else too, and I can't remember what it was. So I was just surprised to see other lines and brands in Morphe, but I actually loved it because it gave me a chance to try some new things that I probably wouldn't have ordered otherwise. And while I was there, I just decided to cave and purchase the Jaclyn Hill, what is it? What's her brand? It's like Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, I think. Her personal line, not her collab with Morphe. But I decided to purchase her 2 highlighter palettes. And this one, the lighter one, is the Flash. And the colors are honestly so beautiful. I was shocked at how buttery they were and how much glow they gave off. So I'm really, really excited to play with them. I also purchased the darker one because when I do have a self-tanner, I usually like to go a little bit darker with my highlights just so it doesn't look as white on the skin. And the darker one is called the Flare. So the light one is the Flash and the dark one is the Flare. And this one, let me swatch it for you real quick, is so pretty. This one I would say is more golds and browns. It's just so pretty. So here is what those 4 colors look like. Really, really gorgeous. I would love to see this on darker skin tone. I think it would be stunning. And I was looking at some of her other highlighting products, but they were sold out of a lot of the colors that I would use, so I just stuck with those two. So that is basically my San Diego haul, which is like my non-Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've used any of these products, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Like I said, it does help out my channel tremendously. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button so that way you're notified every single time I upload. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.